R3
You
TV.
see that, but you see the valves, they're not sealing all the way.
Exactly 180. So that's a good sign so far. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to R3 TV. And just in case you forgot, today is a new day. All right, guys. I know it's been a minute. I'm not even gonna talk about how long it's been. Whatever. The video's now. I'm recording now. It's all that matters. So I am in the car today. It's been a minute since I've touched anything with the motor. Still trying to figure out what I want to do with that. As you can see, the car is in shambles. Let me get out and show you guys what I'm talking about. How bad this car really is. It's dirty. Like, this is dirty. And you know, in my Audi, I gotta keep it spotless. There's no reason for this one not to be as clean as it should be. I got all parts. I got, you know, my leather seats, my one-piece lights, my wrap fenders. So I'm just gonna make a video today of just cleaning out the car. This is a before video. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do with the seats yet. The floor and everything else was originally this color. Of course, old video, I painted interior black. All this is black. Probably gonna get new seats, of course, and just rewrap the doors and everything. You see the trunk, absolute mess, horrific. So I want to get all this cleaned out, get it all gutted out, get the back doors cleaned out. And if you can see my nice little setup here. I got my new iPhone, nice little camera recording microphone. So hopefully the videos are actually better now. We will see. So I just want to get the car cleaned up. Hopefully that'll motivate me to keep going as I figure out what I'm doing with the engine, getting in, you know, the head and whatever fix on it. But I want the car clean, so stay tuned for the video. We're gonna get this thing cleaned up. I also bought a nice little shop vac here. Got it off Amazon. It was on sale. Just took it out of the box, put the wheels on it. Well, I guess it works. I mean, that works. So we're gonna take this right here. We're gonna take this and we're gonna put it in there, and we're gonna suck up all the dirt and see if it works. Cause that thing dirty, boy. Yeah. 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 All right, I am into this awful, god-awful trunk. And CB guys, does any of you guys' trunk leak water? Obviously, the floor of my trunk has been ruined because I'm getting a leak, I'm assuming from like somewhere up here. but it's not really too bad like up that way. But like down here, there's like standing puddle of water that's been standing for I don't know how long. So I'm gonna have to suck all that out and scrub out all the whatever this is out and find out where the leak is. So if you guys could put in the comments where you think this water is coming from, because once I clean it out, I don't want it, of course, to go back in, and then my battery's back here and my fuse and all that stuff. So yeah, leave a comment, let me know. So, unfortunately, I gotta stop right here because it is about to freaking rain. But as you can see, the next step is gonna be getting this sound deadening stuff out, which is already, the water's already kind of loosening it up. I just want to get something to scrape it up. And then I am going to paint the trunk completely black and find out where the leak is coming from. So I'm gonna have to pause the video right here and put everything away because this freaking Florida rain is about to come down. I'll see you guys in a bit.
Yeah.